What's up, guys? This is Tampatec, and this is my wife, Jerica. And today we're going to be fixing her air fryer that broke. What's wrong with it?
The rotating basket stopped rotating.
That's for what? Like French fries?
French fries. It's also, I can do kebabs. I can do a rotisserie chicken.
But the air fryer, the heating part works.
Yes.
Okay. What did we fix last time? It was a toaster oven, or no, slow roaster.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was less than a year old.
Yeah. This one I use almost every day.
Oh, yeah. You love your air fryer. You got two. Yeah, just in case of emergency. Anyway, so let's go ahead and we're going to switch to that overhead camera. And she's going to fix it and I'm going to guide her. That's all. So she's going to take all the credit. Hopefully fix it. We'll see.
So now how do we take this bad boy apart?
Okay, we're going to use a screwdriver.
Well, yeah. Okay.
Let's look for the screws.
Okay.
All right, so let's go ahead and open it up and show everyone. Okay, so basically you put the basket in, right?
Yeah.
Show us like what to do. We're gonna rotate this around.
Basket goes in, and then it's supposed to rotate.
But it doesn't rotate.
When you turn it on and you hit the rotate button, it doesn't rotate.
Okay, let's go ahead and take it out. Looks like it's not jammed because what's that?
That's a part that just fell out
On the basket?
from the air fryer.
Oh, in there.
No,
Yeah, that pops off, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like it pops
Don't
off.
break it off.
Oh, too late.
You
I think I broke it.
did. I told you. There's like clips. You have to push them in. You don't need to take that top part off, I don't think.
No?
No, that's just for the fan. I don't think you need it to.
All right, let's go ahead and remove the top. All right.
Okay. Ooh.
So what I like to do is take all the same screws from the same area and group them. So all the outside screws to hold the shell together, we're going to put together. I'm going to push the clips in.
To get it to pop open. Okay.
Here, you do the rest. Yeah, you got it. Good job.
The one that's broken.
That's the one I busted.
See, there's these 4 screws in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I thought. So if I could take these 4 out, we should be able to take this top.
Oh, so that was it.
Yeah, you might have been right all along.
We took all the door off and everything.
For no reason.
The window, the door.
I can't do it. You do it. I can't. See, I'm not tall enough. Do you know?
You did. You just unscrewed it.
Oh, I did?
What are you looking for?
My cell phone.
Silly. It's right over here.
Which 2 are left?
You just unscrew them and then turn it upside down. Use gravity. Or I have a magnetic wand. When we get the magnetic wand. Right here. There you go. I just need a flat head. Pop it up.
Wait.
Oh, there's a screw, wire.
Yeah, for the...
Oh, this is the motherboard.
Hold on. I can't get her out. There I go. I got it out, but it's it. There we go.
Oh, I thought this whole, this whole thing should come out.
Okay.
Like, you lift it up.
I don't think so because... Okay. New batch of screws. Don't think that was it. 'Cause I got nothing, sir. Oh, wait. Shit, I do got something. Dang it. take this off. These wires are in the way.
Let's see.
And if you look, once this is up, in order to access this little thing, these screws are riveted, aren't they?
Yeah,
or is that a
screws.
star screw?
Yeah, rivets.
So we can't even take those out. So it's pretty much, it's in
We
there.
had to take out the outside plastic shell. So we didn't need to take that out, actually. You're right.
So the seams are here.
So let's turn it to the side.
But look.
Just flip it to the side. Here. Don't damage it. Now we can like pull it out. Be careful of the fan. All right, go ahead. I'm holding it. It's crooked, I think that's why, right?
Yeah, I need to get this end out some.
Oh, there's a... There you go. Well, rock it out. Just rock it out.
I'm trying. Can we do it this way? Is this really worth it?
Do it now. We're already knees deep. Well, that should give us enough slack at least. There we go. Ta-da! Alright, now just turn it sideways. Yeah, like that. Alright. Finally, 2 years later.
Probably would have been better just to buy another one.
You have another one.
It's missing a pin. It's missing the pin altogether.
Alright, so
Oh wait.
now we can... Alright, so it's missing the pin, so at least now we could just put the thing in. Let me get a wire hanger.
I see the pin.
Oh, you do?
Yes, the pin is in there.
Where? Oh shit, I found it. How did it fall out?
I don't know, but there it is.
No, you should put it in. Look. You don't need to worry about that. Look. It goes on like this, right? Like that? Or no? Or like that? Why can't you just put it on this way and then push it on?
Oh, because it fits in through the
Exactly.
hole. I'm an idiot.
No comment.
Smart man.
Go ahead. Here.
It's through.
Oh, it is? Oh, okay. Pull it out. It's good. How did that fall out? Maybe it was getting too hot.
I don't know.
Maybe.
I use this all the time.
It probably got like expanded,
Okay.
right?
Maybe, because I use it all the time. We might have fixed my second air fryer.
It saves me what, $100.
My second air fryer. Yep. Now you got to funnel the wire so we can zip tie it back. We gotta close this up.
To open. It's like we took out so many extra screws that we didn't need to.
I need it.
All right, turn this way.
Oh. Up this way.
All right, the moment of truth. Let's see. Let's open it up and show the video. And is it rotating?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's rotating.
You got it working. Teamwork. Here, it's working. Let's see if the heat works. Hopefully, I hope we didn't break that. heat up?
Fairly quickly. It's an air fryer.
Ooh.
It just circulates hot air.
Okay. All right, open it up and see. Oh yeah, it's getting hot. So we didn't break that feature. Everything's working. The hardest part was taking it apart. Right?
Lots of screws.
Yeah, lots of screws and lots of frustration. What is this brand?
This is a Sewing, but if I could do it again, I'd go for a Ninja.
Ninja air fryer is better? How much is that? More money?
Yeah.
But it's better.
Yeah.
Do we have a Ninja air fryer?
No. Hint, hint.
We have 2 air fryers with no Ninja.
Hint, hint.
Hint, hint. Yeah. Anyway, if you were looking for... If you don't want to fix your air fryer and you just want to buy a reliable one, I'll leave a link in the video description below. And that link supports the channel, it's an affiliate link. Good job for fixing it.
Thank you.
Give her a thumbs up for fixing her air fryer. If you know anyone that has an air fryer that might find this video useful, go ahead and click on the share button below. Share this video to them, help someone out. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Later, guys.